Verb forms in English. Present V1, past V2, past participle V3, present participle V4, verb plus ing, V5, verb plus s or es. Begin, began, begun, beginning, begins. Buy, bought, bought, buying, buys. Break, broke, broken, breaking, breaks. Become, became, become, becoming, becomes. Bring, brought, brought, bringing, brings. Burn, burnt, burnt, burning, burns. Bear, bore, born, bearing, bears. Bleed, bled, bled, bleeding, bleeds. Bite, beat, beaten, biting, bites. Beat, beat, beaten, beating, beats. Blow, blew, blown, blowing, blows. Behave, behaved, behaved, behaving, behaves. Bend, bent, bent, bending, bends. Bet, 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 betting, bets. Bind, bound, bound, binding, binds. Burst, bust, bust, busting, busts. Borrow, borrowed, borrowed, borrowing, borrows. Beg, begged, begged, begging, begs. Belong, belonged, belonged, belonging, belongs. Build, built, built, building, builds. Add, added, added, adding, adds. Arrange, arranged, arranged, arranging, arranges. Abide, abode, abode, abiding, abides. Arise, arose, arisen, arising, arises. Ask, asked, asked, asking, asks. Apply, applied, applied, applying, applies. Advise, advised, advised, advising, advises. Arrive, arrived, arrived, arriving, arrives. Catch, caught, caught, catching, catches. Call, called, called, calling, calls. Choose, chose, chosen, choosing, chooses. Come, came, come, coming, comes. Cry, cried, cried, crying, cries. Close, closed, closed, closing, closes. Change, changed, changed, changing, changes. Care, cared, cared, caring, cares. Cut, 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 cutting, cuts. Cast, 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 casting, casts. Cancel, cancelled, cancelled, cancelling, cancels. Cost, 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 costing, costs. Cling, clung, clung, clinging, clings. Creep, crept, crept, creeping, creeps. Confirm, confirmed, confirmed, confirming, confirms, carry, carried, carried, carrying, carries, clean, cleaned, cleaned, cleaning, cleans, cook, cooked, cooked, cooking, cooks, drive, drove, driven, driving, drives, drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks, die, died, died, dying, dies, dry, dried, dried, drying, dries, dream, dreamt, dreamt, dreaming, dreams, dig, dug, dug, digging, digs, deal, dealt, dealt, dealing, deals, do, did, done, doing, does, draw, drew, drawn, drawing, draws, dance, danced, danced, dancing, dances, divide, divided, divided, dividing, divides, drop, dropped, dropped, dropping, drops, eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats, fill, filth, filth, filling, fills, find, found, found, finding, finds, flee, fled, fled, fleeing, flees, fall, fell, fallen, falling, falls, forget, forgot, forgotten, forgetting, forgets, forbid, forbade, forbidden, forbidding, forbids, forgive, forgave, forgiven, forgiving, forgives, forsake, forsook, forsaken, forsaking, forsakes, foretell, foretold, foretold, foretelling, foretells, fly, flew, flown, flying, flies, feed, fed, fed, feeding, feeds, found, founded, founded, founding, founds, flow, flowed, flowed, flowing, flows, freeze, froze, frozen, freezing, freezes, fling, flung, flung, flinging, flings, fight, fought, fought, fighting, fights, grow, grew, grown, growing, grows, get, got, got, gotten, getting, gets, grind, ground, ground, grinding, grinds, go, went, gone, going, goes, give, gave, given, giving, gives, help, helped, helped, helping, helps, hear, heard, heard, hearing, hears, heart, 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 hurting, hurts, happen, happened, happened, happening, happens, hide, hid, hidden, hiding, hides, hold, held, held, holding, holds, hit, 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 hitting, hits, hurry, hurried, hurried, hurrying, hurries, invite, invited, invited, inviting, invites, improve, improved, improved, improving, improves, inform, informed, informed, informing, informs, justify, justified, justified, justifying, justifies, keep, kept, kept, keeping, keeps, knock, knocked, knocked, knocking, knocks, know, knew, known, knowing, knows. Follow FastLearn WhatsApp channel. Subscribe FastLearn YouTube channel.